If 3x square minus 8xy plus 4y square is equal to 0 and x is greater than y, find the value of x is to y. Now, let's try to solve this question. Now, if we split the middle term minus 8xy like this, so 3x square minus 6xy minus 2xy plus 4y square is equal to 0. Now from the first two terms, we can take 3x common. So if we take 3x common, this will become x minus 2y. And if we take 2y common from the next one, we will have again x minus 2y from the last two terms as well. So therefore, this equation becomes 3x minus 2y into x minus 2y is equal to 0. So therefore, we will have either 3x minus 2y equal to 0 or x minus 2y is equal to 0. So this becomes 3x is equal to 2y. So therefore, x by y is equal to 2 by 3. Or we have here x is equal to 2y. So therefore, x by y is equal to 2 by 1. Now we have to pay attention to this thing very carefully. It is specifically given that x is greater than y. If we take this first case, x is less than y. So therefore, this is eliminated, and therefore the only correct answer in this case is this one, x by y is equal to 2 by 1. So therefore answer will be option B.